Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your Apple ID name on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the settings app on your phone. At the top, you will see your name and Apple ID. Tap on it to open your account settings. Now tap name, phone number or email. Here you can see your current Apple ID name. Tap on your name to edit it. Type in your new first and last name, exactly how you want to appear. Double check for spelling and tap down at the top right corner. Your Apple ID name is now updated. Some app or service might ask you to sign in again, so just follow the on-screen instruction if needed. Changing your Apple ID name on iPhone, and that's it. That's how you can change your Apple ID name on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.